Hey everybody, Marcel here from Tyger Auto, and today we're going to be showing you one of our coolest running boards, the Tyger Blade, which we're going to be putting on our 4th gen Chevy Silverado. The blades are perfect for those of you that want an extra wide board with a low profile that will still allow you to get in and out of your truck with your work boots on. So installation's super simple, so let's get right into it. Before we start, let's go over the installation manual and also our parts list to make sure that everything's here and also to get some great installation tips. First, start on the driver's side. Take a look at the back of the rocker panel. There are 6 threaded holes at the bottom. For this installation, we'll be using the 1st, 3rd, 4th, and 6th holes. Starting from the front, remove the plastic plugs covering the threaded inserts, then do the same on the other 3 locations. Then, take the mounting brackets and install them in the first location. Proceed to do the same in the other 3 locations on the rocker panel. After that, we need to prep the running board by inserting these bolt plates that will be attached to the brackets that we just installed. To do so, first place the running board on the brackets and then slot the bolt plates into the channels on the bottom of the running board near each of the brackets. Lift up the board again and guide the studs of each bolt plate into the bracket holes. After that, go ahead and install the hardware to attach the board to the brackets. Before you tighten them, make final adjustments to the position. Then take the same steps to install the passenger side blade and you're done.